Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to JMSPOT. Today, two of my friends are going to be joining me, reacting to Set Fire to the Rain by Durian, the Masked Singer, Thailand. This was requested to me a few weeks ago, but let's see what it is. Ready? Ready? Are you guys ready? Yeah? Yeah? So without further ado, let's see what this is.
Wow. That stage was like intense.
Where is this? Thailand?
I set fire to the rain, another was into the flames. When it fell
Where's that going?
cause I knew that was the last time.
It's a guy.
It's a guy.
Last time.
Have you seen that film?
No.
It's like a very Look at this video.
Is he like trying to be like Gaga?
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, yours to claim it. It was hard, and I was over.
Yeah, I think it's a guy, right?
My lips, and you say me. My hands, they strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true. And the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour, touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause that's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were
Oh, that's
never
why it's
true.
called Durian
And the
Masked Singer.
games you play will always win.
Yeah.
But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour inside, touch your face.
He's like Lady Gaga meets the guy, The Weeknd, because the thing on the top of the Durian fruit is like The Weeknd.
I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames.
He has hair like spots.
Something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door, that hurting call must be waiting for you. Even now when it's already over, I can help myself from looking for you. I set the fire to the rain.
Wow. Oh, is that it?
That was different.
I think that's what just we're waiting on.
Yeah.
Right? The Weeknd sounds like the Rainbow High. The whole night. Amazing. Good.
Yeah.
show the face? No.
No.
So what do you guys think?
So he's
what do you
like-
think?
He's
It's
like,
nice. I like the beat. I like the melody.
You?
It's nice voice.
I don't think he was really like special, but he was not like a terrible singer. He was a pretty good singer.
At the end, I think he was.
But I did like the way that he kind of made it his own with his high notes because he can't really reach those notes. That is a hard song though, just saying for a guy, but it's pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. But I like the way that he has like the durian fruit covering his face because it kind of makes him like Sia in a way because he's mysterious. But like he's also kind of got the Gaga and then kind of like the Weeknd a little bit. So he's like 3 in 1.
I didn't think he wants to go for Gaga. He just wants to be himself.
No, but I'm saying like his style, like is very unique and weird and artsy, like Gaga.
So he did good. He did really good.
Yeah.
So anyways guys, I hope you guys like this reaction. And if you guys want us to react for more videos, just comment down below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Comment and subscribe.
Yeah, what he said.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.